Okay.
Hello friends, today we have with us Ms. Mittal Bhaktharia. She is a lecturer in a college. She is teaching commerce subjects like management and accounting and marketing and all that. So today we are going to talk with her and get to know more about this field. Hello,
Hi,
how are you today?
fine. What about you?
I'm fine too, thanks. So Ms. Mittal, you're a lecturer in a college, right? So why did you select this field? Why do you wish to teach your students?
Okay, I have chosen this field because I like it and I want to learn something new day, every time. And as well as I teach to my students new something and also to update with technology and knowledge. That's why.
Yeah, that's a good idea. So you can update yourself with your students also, and students also update in the process, right? So, as you say, you selected for knowledge and all that thing, right? So, what are the future prospects in this field?
There are many future prospects we can get many knowledge through students as well as get many degrees and many updates and get government job through pass the government exam etc.
Okay, that's good. So you can even go for a government job or
Right.
a private job, right? Okay, that's good thing. So, what are the challenges which are involved in this position?
Okay. In every field there are many challenges. In this field, yani education fields, there is a big challenge is students focus because nowadays you know very well social media time, so students are connected with different types of app and also connected many friends, Facebook friends, etc. So they are not serious about studies and they don't have focus on studies, so it's tough to focus on studies and
Yeah.
also guide them to achieve their goals, etc. So it's big challenge because they can't serious about their future. Sometimes I felt that.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah, students nowadays are more serious in their Instagram and
Right.
followers and Facebook, and they want to become famous, right?
Right.
But they don't want to, set a goal for their life and move ahead towards that goal. So it's a big challenge for a lecturer or a teacher to make your students set a goal and make them follow the goal, right? So it's a big challenge. I agree
As
with
well
you.
as you know very well BF and JF times. So
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
right,
This is the age for that, right?
this is but sometimes they are more and more serious about their attraction spheres and spoil their studies, yeah, spoil their careers or goals. So it's big challenge to identify how to controls etc. in this method. You know what? So it's big challenge for every lecturers.
Yeah, that's right. So you need to control the students in their mentality also, right? So they don't become more involved and they can understand that GF or BF is just a pastime. It is not going to help in their career,
Careers, right.
and they need a good mindset. So all these things need to be done by a lecturer or a teacher, right?
Right.
You need to set your mindset and then give them knowledge, even if they don't want knowledge. So it's a big task, I would say.
Right. And because we see them, because parents are not able to see everything. As a lecturer, we can see. So it's our responsibility to guide them properly. So
Yeah,
it's
so
challenge.
some things they may not be able to tell their parents and they can come to you and share that with you. So that's a very good position, right? That is at par with the parents. The students are telling you, treating you like a parent, and they are discussing their problems and expecting you to solve them. So that's a very good thing.
We
That's a
have
very
to play double roles as a lecturers as well as also like a parents role sometimes.
Yeah, also, I need to stress that now during the COVID time when the colleges are not running regularly and we are supposed to teach them online. So, what is the challenge in teaching them online?
Okay. Now it's tough time, right? We are all suffering, and in online teaching, its big issue is network issue, as well as sometimes students come to join online class, but not properly. Only we can visible they are attending, but not presence of mind there.
Yeah, you can't check their present, but
Right.
there you can just check that they are seeing the video or not. You can't know what they are thinking about, and you don't know where they are, right? So
Right.
that's a big challenge.
And we can't see them properly. We can't see properly. That's why recognize their gestures, etc. So it's big challenging. Sometimes they use other apps, social media during class, and whenever we speak and just we speak, only they listen. So lack of two-way communications, as well as whenever we ask some questions, they have option to leave the class. It's called online bunk.
Yeah, they can bunk online. Yeah, that I wish that was during that my time. You know, it was not available in my time. I wish I could bunk online. I never did. That's a good thing. Also, I would like to ask you: is there any advice for any students? Would you like to tell them something?
Okay. Nowadays, students are not serious about studies, so my advice is to serious about their studies and their lives, and most of the time spend their fulfill their goals and achieve their targets. Just
Okay, yeah, that is very sweet and simple.
like
So thank you, Ms. Mittal. It was nice talking to you, and I hope that everybody has gained something from your talk. Thank you very much.